G'day everyone, welcome back to OzMTG. I'm your host Greg, and today we're going to be opening some Unfinity draft boosters. This is a new set dropping on the 9th, so please support your local LGS, and let's get cracking. The new Unfinity set, this one is supposed to be drafted, this particular set, so we'll see what's inside. Here's a first look. It is obviously out very soon. It does say that there is a stickers and outer space land in every pack, which is pretty cool. There's going to be a box topper, and let's open it up and let's have a look. Let's try and find some of these stickers. So the new sticker mechanic is very unique, and it is legal in Commander. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. That's a cool artwork. I don't normally like the artworks for these. It does show you tournament life counter archetypes, name stickers. Let's open this first. Oh, this one's cut at a bit of a weird angle. I like it. So let's see, hopefully we might get a crimped one. Couldn't be so lucky, could we? No, it is not crimped. It is a Watery Grave. I'll take it. Watery Grave. So the box toppers in the draft boosters and the collector boosters are identical. So let's have a quick look. Rat in the Hat. Okay, so they even have the little symbol down there, not in foil if they're regular. So let's go through. Oh, that's cool. New planet. Into the rare. Okay, so we have for Spaceland. And we have foil rare token, and we have the stickers. Okay, so the first sticker pack we've got is an unstable robot dragon. Let's say we got the stickers. We just pull the sticker off, and we give the Rat in the Hat googly eye stickers. Very cool, very cool, very unique. All right, let's have a look at the second. So there seems to be quite a weird distribution. So we'll just go through the cards to start with. Obviously we're looking for cards that are legal to play. Fortune Teller, Push Your Luck, Ticket Bucket Pot, and Unglued P-Brain Dinosaur. Okay. Very unique. The stickers seem to be decent quality. I don't think they're going to come off anytime soon. Oh, that's upside down. It's something strange that there's black one at the start of every pack so far. Software. Yeah, we'll get that. Foam Weapon, Trash Bin, Unlawful Entry, Clown Robot, Trendy Circus Pirate. I love the little chicken. It's pretty cool. Let's look what else let's look what other stickers we're getting. So there's no pre-release for this particular set, so it's just going to come out. You're going to crack some packs, make some decks, and have some fun. Swamp. Treasure. Oh, that's Employee of the Month. The hilarious treasure token. And we've got Wild Ogre Bumpkin. So we've got Bupkis. Okay, so some of these words are not really in the Australian vernacular, so pardon me if I don't get them right. Impounding lot, customer, domination, well done. Big top, that's pretty cool. Okay. Planes, pick a Beeble, Squirrel Stack, please, Sticky Carvu Daredevil. So I believe they also in the land section you are able to get the pain lands. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if we can get one. We'll see if we can prove that wrong or wrong. Let's see, there's a legal one. Lifetime pass holder. Okay, legal actual rare. Weird Angel Flame. Look at that with a little ducky. I love it. So there's quite a few packs in this. I think it's the standard draft booster, so I think there's 36. So we'll just start cracking through a bit faster. We'll just get to the uncommons. Devil Knievel. Shop, and we've got Snazzy Aether Homunculus. So let's keep going, start cracking packs. Be interesting to see if we can get the pain lands. I know they definitely are able to be done in the slot in the collector booster, but whether or not they're able to be done in the regular box, who knows? Train Blessing Mine. Well, got a few to try. So we'll just keep going. We're also looking for the Space Jace, Space Doge. Not the dog that's on the front of the packets, but the actual Space Commander dog. So it looks like there's no list, because these are draft boosters, so there's no technical list cards in these. So we'll just keep going through. Vampire Champion Fury. Obviously being draft boosters, there's no list at the back, so we're not going to get any extra value with that. Animate Graveyard, which is pretty cool. Giant Man Cake, absolutely. Greatest Show in the Multiverse, pretty cool. Deep Fried Plague and Mia. So they are designed to be open and used and have fun with. Black Hole, it's legal, great. We're looking for legal cards as much as possible. That way we can play with them in our commander decks. Nothing like having a fun set. It is nice that the unsets have cards that are legal in commander now. There's nothing worse than, apart from opening an unset previously and having the whole thing that nothing apart from the lands are worth any money, which was fantastic because the lands were beautiful art and that was the whole reason why you did buy the set. But it's nice that they thought about the player base, and obviously people will buy more packs if you can actually use something rather than just having the fun draft experience, which is what unsets are all about, and all the new mechanics. But we'll see how they go. So I'll exit through the gift shop. We haven't seen it yet with the land being replaced. Like I said, it was a 1 in 24 chance. So I don't know, maybe if it's there, that means it would be a guaranteed. Oh, clown card, that's pretty cool. Would be a guaranteed in this deck. I don't, in this box then, because it's 36 packs. So let's see what happens. I'm not holding my breath. Oh, there we go. Comet Stellar Pup. So we now have one of every version. Every version. Oh no, yeah, I think I do. Let's go here. Death. Tim, speed up. Oh, Grey Merchant of Alphabet. Okay, so you can get the foil. Oh, it's just a regular foil. I thought it was the special foil. This will have more of the, like, more cards that are definitely fluorescent. Oh, there we go. So it can. So you get the regular version. There you go. So it proves you can get it. I'm sure it doesn't have a fountain, but
Probably be very rare to get it in foil.
yeah, I think it's actually rarer to probably get it in non-foil than it'll be then. Oh, pick a beeble. Okay, we'll take it. Depends how rare it's going to be, though, is going to be the question. It's interesting it came in non-foil. So. Oh, we got a crimped card. We got a crimped card. Like a really badly crimped card. What is it? Oh, look at that. Can you see it on that? Yep, there you go. Yeah.
Cool. Unfortunately, not illegal.
No, that would be cool. Could get lucky, it might be more. So the actual 4/8s, and then on the bottom, not only the stickers on the top, but the actual toughness and attack is actually a sticker as well. Still great. Still great. I doubt I'm going to get any more of the fetches or the pains. You never know. Photo ops. Shocks, yeah. I always call them fetches, pains, shocks. I never use them, that's the problem.
Good lands.
Yeah, great lands, but nothing for me. Like, I should put them in my multicolored decks, but I just never do. Main event horizon. Oh, Space Bellerin. Oh, look, so you can get a mountain, and then in the foil you can get the foil slot.
The foil slot.
Okay.